Namaste, this is Abhishek and welcome to Agri Analyze. In this video, we will see about layout formation for augmented RCBD design. So let's say I have 5 check entries C1, C2 up to C5. You can give the actual names of the checks also. And I have 16 test entries. And I want to make layout of augmented RCBD design for these set of test entries and check entries. I will arrange data like this. First, I will keep entry, then I will write the total entries with their actual name, and then I will make column for checks, and I will write the names of the checks. Now I need to save this in a CSV file format, so I will select File, then Save As, and here I will select CSV UTF-8, comma separated values file, and then press on Save. Now, in order to make the layout, go to Agri Analyze website, that is www.agrianalyze.com. Here, go to Analytical Tool, then second option is Genetics and Plant Breeding, and in Augmented RCBD, select Augmented RCBD Layout. So this is the page for the Augmented RCBD layout. If you get stuck somewhere, you can use this YouTube video to see the information. Then this is the sample input file, then sample output, Augmented RCBD layout output. Okay, you can click here and get that output. Now, in order to make the layout, I will upload the input file. So I will click on choose file, and then I will select the file that we have already discussed. So this file should have only 2 columns, first for entries and then for checks. It will ask to select the column for entries, and by default the second column will be chosen as a checks. Then here it is written test entries per block. So let's say there are total 16 test entries and I want 4 test entries per block. So this will make 4 4s are 16. So 4 blocks will be generated as I want 4 test entries per block. Let's say if you want 8 entries per block, then total test entries are 16, 16 divided by 8, so it will form 2 blocks. But 2 blocks would be very less. So I either you can generate in multiple such that there is it's perfectly divisible for 16. So I can make 4 entries per block, 8 entries per block, or 2 entries per block. So I will keep 4 entries per block. Also, sometimes let's say you have 17 entries. Now 17 is not divisible by anything. So you can keep, like, you need to give perfect number of test entries per block. So let's say I want 4 in first, then again 4 in second, third 4, and last one will have 5. Okay, so 4 comma 4 comma 4 comma 5, that means first block will have 4, second will have 4 test entries, third will have 4 test entries, and fifth will have 5 test entries. So 4 3 is 12 plus 5 17. But currently we want same number of test entries per block, so I am keeping 4. Either you can write like this or you can write 4 comma 4 comma 4 comma 4. It will generate same. Then I need to add any random number, as this is the case of randomization in layout. So you can generate with any of the positive value or positive number. I prefer to add my lucky number. You can have your own number. So then I will click on submit, and you should check this summary very keenly. So total entries are 16. Okay, we are okay with that. Total checks were 5. Test entries per block is 4. Number of blocks are 4 because 16 divided by 4 will give you 4. Set seed is 42. Then it will ask for some nominal fee, and post that you will get the layout along with the data table sheet. Now click on submit. Now I will click on download, and I will open this output report. So first I would like to show you the layout. I will zoom in, and you can see there are total 4 blocks Each block has 8 plots. Sorry, each block has 9 plots. Why 9? Because 4 test entries per block and checks will be repeated every time. So there are 5 checks. So total 4 plus 5, 9. In second block also there are 9 plots and third and fourth. So checks get repeated in every block, but test entry does not repeat. And you can see this arrangement is serpentine. So 9, then 10, 11, 12, 18, 19, 20, 27, then 28 will start from here. So it's a serpentine arrangement. And the checks are given different color as well as entries are given different color. So that's a very handy and ready-made layout. Then field book is also given. So just you need to print this. Let's say you are taking observation of yield. So I will change yield here. And then I will just print this, paste this in the Word file and print this. So while taking observation, I will go in first block, then first row, and plot number is given. So you just need to move in a serpentine formation in the field and just keep on adding entries here of your yield for that specific either check or test entry. And also summary is also given. So we already know that there were 5 checks. Total number of checks were 5. Total test entries were 16. Number of blocks are 4. And test entries per block are 444. And total number of plots per block are 999. Total plots are 36. And we have used the serpentine arrangement. So I hope that you find this uh, layout formation of Augmented RCBD tool very handy. And things may look simpler here, but when you have 100 genotypes of test entries and 8 or 7 checks, then this procedure or this tool will be very handy and very helpful in layout formation. And as well as it is giving us the ready-made field book. So this will also save a lot of your time, and there is very less likelihood of any type of mistake or error while recording the data. So this was all about Augmented RCBD layout formation using Agri Analyze platform. If you have any questions or query, feel free to reach out to us at contact@agrianalyze.com, or you can also WhatsApp us at 8866556564. Thank you for watching this video.